In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Github Copilot in just 5 minutes. Github Copilot is an AI-powered tool that acts as your coding assistant, helping you write code faster and more efficiently. It's like having a supercharged autocomplete specifically designed for programmers. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can unleash the full potential of this amazing tool. First, you'll need to open your web browser and search for GitHub. This is your starting point, since GitHub is the platform where Copilot is integrated. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, you'll either need to sign up if you're a new user, or simply log in if you already have an account. This step is essential, as GitHub Copilot is tied to your user account, allowing it to learn from your unique coding style over time. Once you're signed in, look out for the Copilot icon in the top right corner of your GitHub interface. Clicking on this icon will activate Copilot and allow you to access its features. This icon is pivotal as it grants you entry into the world of code suggestions that Copilot provides, transforming your coding experience from manual to collaborative with an AI. Now, as you begin typing your code, Copilot will start to offer you code completions. This happens in real time and is based on the context of what you're working on. It's incredibly intuitive. Simply press the Tab key to accept a suggestion that aligns with your intentions. This function not only speeds up your coding process, but also helps catch potential coding errors before they occur. To get the most out of Copilot, it's important to provide clear and concise instructions in your code. By doing this, you're essentially guiding Copilot in understanding what you want to achieve. It's also helpful to include examples of inputs and desired outputs. This context is crucial as it allows Copilot to suggest the most relevant code snippets tailored to your needs. Remember, don't hesitate to refine your prompts and try different approaches if the suggestions aren't exactly what you're looking for. Experimentation is key to honing the AI's assistance capabilities. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering GitHub Copilot, enhancing your productivity and coding confidence. Copilot is a powerful tool that learns and evolves, encouraging a dynamic and interactive coding experience. So, dive in, give it a try, and experience the future of coding with GitHub Copilot by your side. Happy coding!